Hello student, we are meeting after a long gap and today's topic is reactions of amines part 2 and the third reaction is acylation of amines. The aliphatic and aromatic primary and secondary amines show acylation reaction because they contain replaceable hydrogen atom. What is replaceable hydrogen atom? The hydrogen atom attached to nitrogen atom like this nitrogen atom having two hydrogen atom, this is primary amine, this nitrogen atom having one hydrogen atom, this is secondary amine. So primary and secondary aliphatic as well as aromatic amine show this reaction. C6H5 means this is the aromatic amine and this is aromatic amine. Two representative examples are discussed here, and in examination you can write any example which is asked in the question. So remember these two standard examples. The ethanamine when reacts with acetyl chloride, which is also called ethanoyl chloride, in presence of pyridine, reaction takes place like this. This hydrogen goes here and the shifting of electron. So this develops oxygen negative and nitrogen positive addition compound, and this addition compound is unstable and it is called N-ethyl ethanamide, and this N-ethyl ethanamide eliminates this HCl and the remaining part is written here, which is N-ethyl ethanamide. Okay, in the same manner the second example is written here, the N-methyl aniline. Here C6H5, in place of this C6H5 you can write benzene ring. Okay, this is the derivative of aniline. And this N-methyl aniline when reacts with acetyl chloride or ethanyl chloride in presence of pyridine, the reaction again takes place in the same manner. HCl is the side product and this part get attached here. So the compound form is N-methyl N-phenyl ethanamide. This is all about the acylation reaction. Now you have to remember this acetyl chloride can be replaced by acetic anhydride. If this compound is replaced by this compound, this is acetic anhydride, the same type of reaction is taking place. COCH3 group means this COCH3 groups attached here, and this side product in place of HCl, the side product is CH3COOH. Only this is the point of difference. So this reaction can be written with this reagent also, and you can practice at home. The fourth reaction is carbylamine reaction. Here carbylamine is formed. This alkyl isocyanate is also called carbylamine. This is carbylamine. Therefore this reaction is called carbylamine reaction, and aliphatic and aromatic primary amines which having NH2 group give this reaction. Here only general reaction is shown, but you can write different examples in your regular notes. This R can be replaced by methyl group or by ethyl group or by phenyl group. This is the benzene ring. C6H5 is the C6H5 group, means benzene ring can be written in place of R group, which is called the aryl group. So this is the aniline or methylamine or ethylamine. So write down these three examples at home, and it is very simple. You have to replace this R by R. If benzene ring is here, replace this R by aryl group. If ethyl group is here, replace this by ethyl. So ethyl isocyanate, phenyl isocyanate or methyl isocyanate. You can write in this manner. The reaction is very simple. When primary amine reacts with chloroform and alcoholic KOH on heating produces alkyl isocyanate, which is called carbylamine. Remember this is isocyanate, not cyanate. Here no same group is written, NC, it is isocyanate. This point is you have to remember here, and these are the side product where this mechanism is shown. Now write down these three examples, and the next reaction is reaction with nitrous acid. The nitrous acid is different from nitric acid. The formula for nitric acid is HNO3 and for nitrous acid is HNO2. and it is not stable compound, so it is prepared at the time of the requirement, that is in situ, from sodium nitrite, NaNO2 and HCl, and the reaction takes place at 273 to 278 Kelvin. The primary, secondary and tertiary amines react differently with this nitrous acid, but in your syllabus only primary amines are discussed here because it is in the scope and limitation of this topic, and two different amines, primary amines, that is aliphatic and aromatic amines, are taken here as example. Here general reaction is shown, RNH2 primary amine. In place of this R, you can take methyl group and can write reaction. You can take ethyl group, okay? Or in aromatic amines, the aniline can be taken. How reaction takes place? When this primary amine react with HNO2 at this temperature with sodium nitrite and HCl, this NaNO2 and HCl produces HNO2, that is nitrous acid, and it forms the alkyl diazonium chloride. Di means two, azo means nitrogen. Here two nitrogen atoms are there, and chloride, this is the salt, and which on hydrolysis produces ROH, okay, that is alcohol, and two nitrogen, and this Cl and H, HCl as the side product. And write down the different example like methylamine, ethylamine. So here in place of alkyl, methyl diazonium chloride, ethyl diazonium chloride, and here methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, etc. words are coming. So the second reaction is aromatic primary amines. When aniline reacts with nitrous acid, again this nitrous acid produces in situ from NaNO2 and HCl at 273 and 278 Kelvin, and the final product is benzene. Here benzene ring is there in place of R, therefore benzene di means 2, here azo means nitrogen, 2 nitrogen group, that is benzene diazonium chloride is formed. The reactions are very simple, and I hope you understand this topic.